Hi there, number explorers. Welcome to Fun with Numbers. Today, we are going on a super fun adventure where numbers come to life. Rainbow Direct, one little sun shining in the sky. Two fluffy clouds floating way up high. Three busy bees buzzing all around. Four bright flowers growing from the ground. Five playful ducks splashing in a stream. Six tiny fish swimming in a dream. Seven tall trees reaching for the blue. Eight pretty birds singing just for you. Nine bouncy balls rolling on the floor. 10 bright stars that glow. Let's count together from morning to night. Numbers are everywhere, a wonderful sight.